Hi guys, I'm Sierra and I'm going to do a baking thing. If you are allergic to milk, maple syrup, eggs, or any sort of pancake mix, do not eat this. Okay, so you're going to need some milk, maple syrup, pancake mix, any kind, and some eggs. You are going to need 1 cup, a half cup, and 1/3 of a cup, 2 whisks, and whatever this is called. Okay, hope you enjoy! Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and prepare a muffin pan either by putting oil on it or non-stick baking spray.
Add the pancake mix to a mixing bowl. Pour in the milk, maple syrup, and crack the eggs. Mix to combine. Transfer the batter to the muffin pan. Using a spoon or a scoop, fill the muffin holes about 2/3 each. If there are splatters on the side, that's fine. Either clean them up with some oil or leave them. They will burn up and fall off. There's no need to be perfect. Place the muffins in the oven. Bake for 13 to 15 minutes. Allow to cool. Serve fresh.